Hello my beloved cat fanatics, it's me again, Kathy, your Ilocana, Ilongga, Bisaya gal. Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, let's go to one of the Korean barbecue places here in Las Vegas, and it's called Captain 6. It's located by Spring Mountain, so papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga pagkain nila doon, and come dine with me, so stay tuned. This lettuce salad is one of their appetizers with sweet and slight tangy dressing that complements the greens. It is absolutely a must-try. Spicy kimchi with pork belly is one of their stews. It also has a hint of tanginess and spiciness to it. It is served with raw pork belly, so it needs to boil to cook the meat and infuse the flavors together. One of the main items on the menu is the humongous pieces of prime meats. Chef Barbecue Special consists of beef tomahawk kalbi, ribeye steak in mango and habanero sauce, mixed herb, and roasted garlic. Take one order good for 1 to 3 people and 2 orders for 4 to 6 people. So ayan guys, we are grilling. That is the Chef Barbecue Special. So this is good for 1 to 3 people. And it has beef tomahawk kalbi, ribeye steak, and of course the mixed herb and roasted garlic, which they have here. Kaya, mga unta, mga tayon, let's eat. Kain po tayo dito sa Captain 6. So our main barbecue orders started coming in, and it was a very short wait until they started serving our orders. Baby octopus, which you can order either regular or spicy, and it is a 1 piece per order item and one of my favorite items on the menu, so I ordered 6 pieces. Squid is also a 1 piece per order item on the menu, so I ordered 6. And just like the baby octopus, you can choose between regular or spicy flavor. I ordered spicy for both. We also ordered the pork kalbi that is not seasoned, so you get to taste and enjoy the real flavor of the meat. Captain 6 Korean Barbecue has a 2-hour dine-in limit to control and accommodate other customers. During peak hours, they get so wrapped up with a great amount of patrons, so they have to implement that policy. The 2-hour dine-in limit is already adequate from prepping to cooking and eating while you enjoy your company. One of the things that I find quite impressive and amazing is the accommodation that we always get from the staff members. They are very friendly, helpful, approachable, and they constantly check to see if everything is still good or if you need some help.
I'm sorry, my coworker asked me, do you guys do YouTube channel? Yeah? They say can they help like you put your name for YouTube channel? I have it.
How do you know that? Oh, because of that?
Yeah.
Well, we
target. Oh yeah. We target my friend, my coworker. Okay, thank you.
Lastly, we ordered a pork belly that's pretty famous and in-demand type of meat, especially for Filipinos. They also have the spicy marinade and the regular pork belly to choose from. Regardless of the type of meat and flavor you order, you can never go wrong with it.
Okay lang, boss? Gawin niyo kung gusto niyo gawin. Kayong bahala. Baka may... Wag. Baka may makakalala, may problema yan. Pero lang. Enjoy lang kayo, ha?
For dessert, we had iced coffee and affogato. Affogato is an Italian coffee-based dessert, usually consists of either unflavored or vanilla gelato or ice cream, drowned with a shot of hot espresso, and here at Captain 6, they put almonds for toppings. Another great food, another great lunch here at Captain 6. all-you-can-eat Korean barbecue around Spring Mountain here sa Las Vegas. And we were able to make more friends there, the people that helped us and served us. So pa-shoutout natin sila, and they gave us a list of their names. So let's do it. Hello to Paula, Andrea, Hazel, Brian from Pampanga, siya po ay isang Pinoy, and Artitia. So it says here, thank you for coming and thanks for having us, and it's a very good food. Wala kaming masabi, no complaints, everything was great, and we will definitely come back soon. Alright guys, so we are home, and once again, thank you so much Captain 6 Korean Barbecue and to the staff that are very accommodating, friendly, and helpful. Now, a lot of people would probably say it's their job to be accommodating because they work there. But I know and I can tell from these beautiful people that I'm about to give a huge shout out, I know that it's their passion and they're genuine with what they do, and they're very happy as a staff member at Captain 6 Korean Barbecue. So, I would say hello and thank you so much, Paula, Andrea, Hazel, Brian, a Filipino guy from the Philippines, Pampanga particularly, and of course, Artitia. You guys are so sweet and very, very nice to us. Thank you so much. So, if you haven't been there, please go check the place out and enjoy their food. It's Captain 6 Korean Barbecue. It's located at 5416 Spring Mountain Road, Unit 104, Las Vegas, Nevada, 89146. So this is actually the third time that we've been there. And just like those 2 visits that we already made before, it is one of the best Korean barbecue places here in Las Vegas. You should check that one out. And for those people who've been there, you know what I'm talking about. So yun po. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to follow me on Facebook. It is Bisayang Ilocana, and together with my Instagram page, it's also Bisayang Ilocana. So yun po. Again, this has been Kathy, your Ilocana Ilongga Bisaya gal, always saying, don't let anyone turn you away from your purpose, and always live life for what it's worth. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!